Hello, UiPath experts. Today we will see about the use case daily work of Srinivasan. So, who is Srinivasan? So, Srinivasan is a data entry person. His job is daily. He's getting a lot of files, lot of documents, different kind of format. Okay, so he has to enter this data into the Excel. So he is a Srinivasan. So see, he is a Srinivasan. He is struggling to enter the data into the Excel because lot of data and so suppose for example 100 records, 100 invoices are there. Those are all the one format, and the 200 is a different format. So he need one website or web form. See, different type of files need to enter a data entry in the Excel. This is this Srinivasan's work daily basis, but he is frustrated, so he's not able to do the same kind of thing. What he's looking for? So he's looking for: do I need to need a website? He got the one thought. So can we have a website so where we will fill the information and it automatically add the information into the Excel? So what he is thinking in his mind. So in any one internet website form has all the fields, text boxes, and if you click on the submit, it automatically add the data into the Excel. So, because instead of typing into the Excel, he want website, but what will happen? So he needs a developer, right? Web developer, but the web development takes cost again. So it's not a single website he has to create. He has to create a multiple websites. He is getting the data for data. Suppose, for example, one bulk of files are one type of format, and the data is another format. Okay, so he needs continuously the websites to enter the data. But here in the desktops, you can see there is a robo entry is a one folder. So this is an empty folder. Okay, so what we can do simple work like a, so create a one Excel file here, Excel file. So we propose that to the Srinivasan to reduce his work, the robo entry folder. Okay, so what he is doing, suppose for example he is doing the data entry of the student or uh, student. Okay, so student is Excel. Just right click and open the Excel. Enter the Excel data. Let's student name, roll number, marks, phone number, and what is that? So again, so class or course. Okay, so these are all the fields he has to enter from the hard copy. Okay, so suppose for example Rajesh, he is doing the manually like this. Rajesh, the roll number is like a, this one, and marks is like a, so 89. So on phone number is like this. Okay, course is like a, this is like a Java. Okay, again he has to take another file from the his table and enter these details. Okay. So what he has to do, just close this Excel. Okay, so he need the website. Okay, website. Let us try to drag this student Excel inside this robo entry. Okay, so see the magic. So once you drag the item into the robo entry, so robo entry folder, automatically one website is created. Okay, the website name is like a, so the same name underscore data entry. So let's open this website, how it looks like. Looks like, see here, this is a website is created without developer. Okay, you don't need to go to the developer and spend a lot of money and time. Okay, within seconds, within the fraction of seconds, it automatically creates the website. Let us try. So see the Excel, open the Excel. How many records are there? One record, Rajesh record is there. Let's close this Excel and now try to enter the details of like a Jagadish. Roll number is like this one, marks is like a, so 96, and phone number is like a, and the course is like a, so it's like a .net. So if I click on the submit, what will happen? This it is added into the data. Let's go and open the Excel. If I open the Excel, so you will see the Excel data, the newly added data is added here. Let's try to create another file. So Excel is still open, but now Kiran Kumar and roll number is like this, and marks is like so 63, and phone number is like a, and course is like a so URPA. Click on the submit button. Automatically add the new record into this, right? This is like a, so you can create a new forms, right? So now see that Upendra and roll number is like a, this one, and marks is like it's a 57, and phone number, and the course is like testing tools. Okay, it's added. So it's adding. So within fraction of seconds, it's automatically added to the website. So let's create another example. Employee. Okay, so open that employee details. Employee name is like a, so name of the employee, the date of joining, and phone number, or phone number instead of that email ID, and what is that? So job location, right? Job location. So okay, job designation or job title. Okay, job title and salary. Okay, so this is a, actually they need the format. Suppose for example, if I enter like a Suresh, and date of joining is like a, so 01/01/2019, and so his email ID is like a suresh@gmail.com, and location is like a Bangalore, and job is like a, so senior software engineer. Salary is like it's a 53,000, something like that. Okay, so what Srinivasan has to do, Srinivasan has to enter like this. So like this, all the enters. Let's do the thing. So use our robo entry. There's a drag and drop into the robo entry form. So it automatically creates a new form. See here. So within fraction of seconds, it's created the new form, employee form. So let's open the Excel itself. And then parallelly, so you can just enter the data. Okay, so job entry Ramesh, and date of joining is like a 09/08/2020, and the name Ramesh@gmail.com, and so the job location is like a Hyderabad, and the job title is like a, this is a testing engineer or junior testing engineer. They are testing engineer. Salary is like so 25,000, something like that. Okay, see this will add into, this will add a new record into the Excel. See, it is adding into the new Excel. The beauty of this program is like, so it automatically creates a header, so with the Excel name, and it automatically creates not only the text boxes, it will create a dot lists also. Let us see. Let us delete this one, employee data, and drag this employee outside. Okay, within this employee, so is there any this list of items you want to select? See, job location is there, and this job title is also there. So what we can do, we can simply take this column name and create a one new sheet with the same column name. Okay, name is the location like Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Kochi, Trivandrum, Ongole. Okay, so Kakinada. These are all the job locations in the same type. So job title is also, you just copy the column name, create a sheet with the same column name. Okay, like suppose for example, job title. What is the job title? Okay, so developer. They are developer. Okay, so lead, module lead. Okay, so testing support engineer, production support. Okay, so what is that? So management, business analyst, BA, Right? This type of different type of things are there. So let's close. So this is a sheet one has the data. Let's close this one and simply drag this Excel into this one. So it will create automatically an HTML file with the data. So this is a data table. See here, this is a data table. So it has a drop down list automatically came. It's a dynamic. Okay, the Srinivasan, no need to worry, no need to spend a lot of time on, a lot of money to develop a web page to enter data entry form, the website to enter the data into the Excel. So see here, it automatically, let's open this Excel. So just for your understanding, so you just open the Excel. See here, here is like a Sudheer and joining is like a so 0, 7, 6 and 0, 9, 8 and 200 MIDL Sudhir at gmail.com. And where is the location? So the job location is like a Trivandrum, and the job title is so like it's a lead, and salary is like a so it's like a 43,000. Click OK. It automatically add the new records. See, it's automatically added. Trivandrum it is added, lead added, salary added. Okay, so like that you can enter. You can create any number of websites. So it is a simple like so. Suppose for example, voters. So open this voters. Okay. So here the name of the person and age of the person and city. So voter, right? So this is a name of the suppose for example, so first name, okay, and the last name, and so this is voter or not, or age. Okay, these things are all there. So suppose I want this voter is a one location. So here is like a names, anything is a first character is anything voter, not voter. So the not voter, not not voter. And here, if you want a city name, so city names you can just simply mention that city, any names as cities. So Ongol, Nada, Trivandrum, Kochi, okay, so Hyderabad, right? So like this, so any number of lists you can create, but here is a actual work. So just drag this voter into this folder. Automatically, it will create a HTML file with the voter.data entry. Just open this voter.data entry and open this voter. So you don't need to open this voter, but here, so the voter, and here is a own goal. Okay, let's open this voter details. There's the data entry is added. So open this data entry Excel. So see here, this data entry data is added. Everything is added. Let's open like a so Jagadish in Kullu voter. So we select the non-voter or 19 or 14 is living in the Kochi. Okay, and it automatically add a new record into the Excel. So do you observe? So this is a dynamically it will create a web pages on the spot. Okay, so please okay, please follow the video. So I will the ID. So this is a it's already working as a UiPath is running in the background. So see UiPath robot is doing all the things, not actually. So there's no magic installed into my system. So UiPath robot is doing this one. Yes, it is correct. Okay. UiPath robot can do this kind of work also. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. So please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and please share my videos.